welcome to Summer Auto Parts. Today's video I'm going to introduce a new interior parts for new Defender 90, 110 and 130. This is not a direction part. This is a very useful parts for the car owners when you go off-road and you go to the out of the cities. And this one is a center console expansion plate. This is our new product, which is for the phone holders and also for the GPS, and it's very useful. We can find there comes very bracket, 5 brackets, which is for the phone holder, and this can use for your L663 and Gopro, and this is a Magsafe for the phone. This bracket for the phone, so you can put your iPhone here because there comes a Magsafe here, and this bracket for phone too. And we have the bracket here. You can drop it to fix your phone here, and that will be fixed very tight. So when you're driving, you can open your camera to make the vlog, and you can make some video for your selfish. And this is very useful for ladies and for boys. You love to record your life. And here is a bracket we can find. We make the GoPro. Sometimes we need to experience memories when we go off-road, so this is very useful too. And day 2 bracket for you guys want to put some stuff, help for your driving experience. So I will show you how to use that in the videos by the end. So that's our new product, and hope you guys will like it. This is coming for help us to have a better driving experience. So in the following minutes, we are going to show you guys the installation guide how to fix it by yourself. Don't walk away and keep watching Summer Auto Parts. Any questions, just leave your messages on our command.